Hi there. This video will introduce you to some of the selection tools that you may choose in Photoshop. The first selection tool is located second from the top on the toolbar. So it's this little square here. Essentially, when you click on that, you make sure you have the layer selected and you can select any section that you like and you will get a rectangle shape, as that's what the tool is telling you. You then, if you want to take this into your poster design, as you know from a previous lesson, you hold down Control C and then switch over to your poster tab and right Control V. Now this image is quite large, so I need to make it a bit smaller. So I go to Edit, Transform, and then Scale. You'll see these little squares come up. I'm going to hover over the corner, hold down the Shift button, and then rescale it. Okay, so a reminder that we hold down on the corner and we hold Shift for the purpose of maintaining the integrity of the image. We want to keep it in scale. We don't want to get an image that's squished to be made look too thin or too short. So there's my basic puppy using the rectangle marquee tool. Alternatively, you could do the same thing, but this time by right-clicking on this, you can see this little triangle down the bottom. That tells you that there's additional tools available. So when you right-click it, you will see that you also have the elliptical marquee tool, which offers the same thing if you're going for a more circular or oval type shape. So if we do that, same thing, Control C, I'll go over to my poster, Control V, and then as we know it's quite large, so I'm repeating the process here so you can see. We'll make this a lot smaller, but you can see that I'm now getting that rounded edge if that's what you're interested in. Look at that puppy eyes. So this one will allow you, especially if I make it unsee the first image, you'll see that it's got the rounded edge. So that is how to use the basic marquee tools.